boot the router, interrupt in between using control break. It will go to the ROM on state. The ROM on prompt is will look like this: ROM on followed by hash, and you can turn on that 6th bit, so the configuration register value will become 2102. How to set that? Config 0x2142. After entering this, you have to reset the router. You have to power cycle the router. How to do that? We can, after entering config register, you just do reset command, execute reset command, and then the router will reload and ask you whether you want to enter into setup mode or not. Say no here, because you don't want to enter new configurations. You want to restore the old configurations and just change the password. So you say no, and then it will enter into the user mode, and you issue enable command. It will go to the privileged mode, and you have to copy. It hasn't taken any configuration from startup, because since you made the configuration register value as 2142, that 6th bit is set, so it won't take the configuration from the startup. So but you want to have restored the old configurations, just you have to make the change to the password alone. So you copy that running startup configuration back to the running configuration. Always copy source file, destination file. Source file is startup, destination file is running config. So copy startup config, running config, and then you change the password alone in the running configuration. So enable secret, and then you are changing the password now here, whatever new password that you would like to enter. Since you don't know the whole password, you have made password recovery. Now you have changed the password on your own by logging in. So that's how you can do that. And then you have to change this configuration back to the default value. Why? Because the next time when router gets reset or power cycle, it has to take again the configuration back from the startup config with this new password, whatever it is taken. So after changing this password, you execute the copy running config to startup config. You have to copy this same whatever new configuration that you made in the running configuration back to the startup configuration. So you can issue copy running config startup config after changing the password, and then change the configuration register back to the default value, and then reload the router again.